In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Slack into Notion, allowing you to streamline your workflows and maintain productivity by bridging these two powerful platforms. If you're someone who manages projects or collaborates with team members often, integrating these tools can truly transform how you organize and share information. The first thing we're going to do is copy your Slack link. Begin by opening your Slack application. Whether you do this on the desktop or in the web app is entirely up to you. Now navigate to the specific channel or direct message that you'd like to embed in your Notion page. Once you've found the message or channel, look for the More Actions menu, typically represented by three little dots that you'll often see either on the top right corner or beside the message itself. You could also right-click on the particular message that you wish to share. When you do this, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you simply select the Copy Link option. This gives you a direct URL that links right back to your selected Slack content. Just a quick note before we proceed: to view this link in Notion, users must have permission to access the Slack workspace, otherwise they'll hit a roadblock. Now let's shift our attention over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you intend to embed the Slack content. You'll want to make sure you are on the correct page where this information will be most useful. Whether you're embedding this link in a team project page or perhaps a personal workspace, getting that location right will make accessing and referencing the information much easier later on. Here's where we incorporate the magic of Notion's embedding feature. In your Notion page, click into the area where you'd like to place the Slack content. Start by typing the / key followed by the word embed. Notion is smart enough to automatically pull up a list of options for you, among which you'll see the embed choice. You should select this to create a dedicated block where your link will reside. After you set up the embed block, it's time to paste that Slack URL you copied earlier. Once pasted into the embed block, you'll need to initiate the process by clicking on the Embed Link button. This will insert your Slack link into your Notion page, effectively integrating the two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded Slack into Notion, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration right within your workspace. This setup doesn't just keep your team's communications and project details close at hand, but it also cuts down on the time spent switching between applications, making it easier to stay productive and on top of tasks. Try it out and see how smoothly your workflows can become.